How to edit video in Instagram without posting. If you've ever wanted to edit a video on Instagram but not post it right away, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your videos on Instagram without actually posting them. So let's jump right in. First things first, open Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the plus icon at the top of your or at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can create a new post, whether it's a photo, video, or carousel. In this case, we'll be editing a video. Select the video you want to edit. Instagram will open your phone's gallery or camera. Pick the video you want to work on. After you've chosen your video, simply tap on next. Now simply click on edit video at the bottom. Now here you can simply edit your video with all these features that Instagram provides. Let's say we want to split it and we want to add reorder like this. You can simply edit however you prefer. Now simply go to arrow and click on save draft. And that's it. That's how you can simply edit your video without posting.